So before going to the foundry, there are other checks that we need to cross check, because we need to make sure how the reliability is there. I mean, how it is going to run the circuits in long run. So there are many sign-off verification checks that we need to do. Some of them are EM, electromigration. What does it check is, in a long run, there if enough current goes through a single metal, whether it is going to sustain or not. If the current is huge and metal widths are very small, it can happen in a long run, metals can break, so that the reliability can come down. So you need to make sure electromigration checks are done and IR drop checks are done. IR drop checks, I mean, as I mentioned in the starting, each device should have should get the enough voltage and the enough current to turn on the devices well and to get the better results and all those things. IR drop has to be in a minimal way. I mean, the you need to, designer will be mentioning the what kind of drop, I mean, any circuit or the transistor can be offered and all those things. There are DFM checks that we need to do, design for manufacturability, to improve our yield. Yield is nothing but on a wafer, how many after fabrication, how many good chips that we are receiving, which indicates the yield ratios and all those things. And there are some electrostatic discharge checks. Okay. So once the ICs are fabricated, any charged body is contacted with these ICs, there is if there is any short discharge path happened from a charged body to ICs, the ICs can damage. So we need to do a electrostatic checks, where your IC should able to bypass the electrostatic discharge to ground, not to the circuit directly, so that your chips will not be burned when there is a electrostatic discharge is there. Okay. And there are some PERC checks which checks the ESD checks and all those things. Once the designs are ready with the DRC, LVS and other checks, other sign-off checks done, we are ready for the tape out. So tape out is a process of sending the database to the foundry in a GDS format or the OASIS format for the fabrication, where foundries will collect this DB and they will distribute each layer into a masks. They will create a masks and they will fabricate the each layer one after one.